Hello students, good morning everyone. This is Amrendra. Today I am going to cover your most important topic of writing skill, notice writing. What is notice writing? Just you have studied in live class. What is notice writing? I told you, or notice is a written or printed announcement, like notice for sale or any types of notice, like tomorrow will be a holiday, or about any cultures program, about any notice. It is written in order to inform a large number of people. Just I told you that it's a bulk. It's not a possible individually should be informed. So it is a written form and it is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened. What was happened? Just I told you that's event. In the format I told you that's time, date, value, venue of the event must be mentioned. So that is here. And just I told you there's given no format of this. This is the format I taught you. So with that, first you know what is format of notice writing. So look here, format for notice writing. Format I taught you on the boards and also I will send you on later. Notice writing should be include firstly name of the institution, then you have to write notice, then date, subject, and finally writer's name, like that. Look here, look, name of the issuing agency authority, that's given here. What's the authority agency? This is the, don't confuse that, it's the institution's name. Which agency, which institution, which authority are issuing this notice, here must be mentioned that. Look here, clear? Then notice, after that date I told you which format this should be, you have to mention like this. This like today 26 July, you write only down 26 July, 2021. Only you have to write in this format. This is the date. And what the title, what is the subject of the event, why are you writing? After that it will be subject of the event. And after that body, just I told you that the date, time, duration, place, venue of the event must be mentioned. And finally authorized signatory, this is your signatory name, it is called signatory name. And finally your designation, I like this, you are head boy or head girl, what is that? So this is a designation. I like you are the principal is designation. So clear? This is the short piece of information, and you should always remember that notice, firstly notice must be in a box. Okay students, let us see that why do we write notice? Why do we write notice? Look here, writing notice topics. Notice writing topics or notice can be written for various reasons. Why do we write? Look here, firstly a competition, if any in your school, a competition an, an excursion trip or lost and found notice. I like this. If you have to go excursion means trip, tour. This is called excursion means tour. An inauguration to take place. I like any inauguration, उद्घाटन, exhibitions, science exhibitions हो या कुछ भी हो या blood donation camp to be held or any such type of event information to be seen in public interest, you have to write notice. Clear? And during to write notice, what do you have to remember? Look here. During to tips. Here. First, do not cross the word limit to avoid the penalty of marks. The prescribed word limit is 50. If you write excess than 50 words, your marks will be deducted. So you should try finish your all things in 50 words. Yeah, it should not be more than 50 words. And you have to remember that don't repeat any information. You have to repetition of information should be avoided. Next, always include the notice in a box. Just I told you that notice in a box. Make sure you draw the box with a pencil. It's not necessary. Also you may draw with pen, black pen. Keep your notice short. Please pen to the point. You have to write point to point. Avoid superfluous words. Highlight the word notice and title. You can underline that. The title should be captivating and eye-catching. Means it should be eye-catching. There's anyone if read or notice. Only through title it should be known that you what about the notice. And finally, don't make hypothetical information and facts. Make use of words given in the question. Make sure you do not mention your personal information. Don't write, don't mention your personal information. Next, make use of all available information in the question. Your answers shall include answer to all the 5 WS. What are the 5 WS? What, why, when, where and who. This you have to mention during to this. And also I told that when you have to write long task, writing task, I like a report task, letter task. So 5 WS that you have to mention. And next, the purpose for which it is being written should be stated clearly. And one thing, you have to focus on present and clarity. So I hope you have understood it. If you have any problem, you may consult. Okay, thank you.